is a newly released AI that lets you generate unlimited realistic videos with zero restrictions. That means you can completely generate uncensored AI videos with just text or images, no restrictions, no content filters, no corporate gatekeepers telling you what you can and can't create. While other AI tools like Sora 2, VO3, Kling AI are tightening their grip on AI creativity, there is a new AI tool that gives you 100% creative freedom to generate anything. It is a professional NSFW AI video generator, supporting text to video, image to video, fast generation, and high quality result. And the best part, they give you free credits to try it out. Make sure you watch it to the end because this tool is a companion AI tool. I will be showing you how to use it to generate unlimited realistic videos for your project. I will also show you different videos you can create with this tool that you can't create on Sora 2, VO3, or other AI tools out there. Also be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name of the AI tool I'm talking about is NSFW AI. NSFW AI is an AI tool that allows users to generate uncensored realistic video using WAN AI models. With this tool, you can generate anything you want without any restrictions. To get started, click the link in the description below. Make sure you register with your email account to get access. After, you will land on the homepage like this. Click on try it now and it will take you to this page. As you can see, very simple interface. You can generate video by using images or from a text prompt. So let's start by using text to video feature. I paste the prompt of what I want to generate to the prompt box, scroll down and select the duration of your video. We have 5 and 10 seconds. For this demo, I select 5 seconds, then click on generate. The tool will begin the generation process immediately. One thing about this AI tool is that it generates the video very fast. Very fantastic. It looks very realistic and natural. NSFW AI is able to generate video that other AI could not allow users to generate. Very high resolution with natural lighting. The NSFW AI excels in smooth, realistic motion and accurate physics for natural looking scenes. Let's try another prompt. I paste a new prompt to the prompt box, then I click on generate. Very smooth animation. We have a video of a young adult woman lying on her stomach on a bed surface in front of a large balcony. The woman is seen with some level of excitement. Very smooth animation. I paste another prompt to the prompt box, and here's the result. It's very impressive. We have the video of a full body shot of a blonde woman wearing a bright blue bikini lying on her side on a sandy beach. Very smooth and natural. While other AI tools limited the kind of video you can generate, NSFW AI allow users to generate anything they can imagine. You can also turn your image into video using image to video feature. Click on image to video, upload the image you want to use to the website. As you can see, this is the image I am using. Write the prompt of how you want the tool to animate your image for you. Scroll down and click on generate. The tool will generate the video for us immediately. Very smooth and natural. While other AI tools limited the kind of video you can generate, NSFW AI allow users to generate anything they can imagine. Let's try another prompt. Upload the image you want to use to the website. As you can see, this is the image I am using. Write the prompt of how you want the tool to animate your image for you. Scroll down and click on generate. The tool will generate the video for us immediately. Super realistic result. Camera zooms slowly on the floating duck on the water while the subject drinks with some facial expressions. The scene looks more realistic with natural lighting that enhances the scene. NSFW AI is capable of transforming any reference images into a stunning video without any restrictions. Unlike other AI tools that can't generate a woman in a bikini like Sora 2 and other models, NSFW AI gives you total creative freedom to generate realistic and cinematic quality video. I upload the image of a woman in a swimming pool to the website. Then I want the camera to zoom slowly on her while playing with the water with some reactions from her to the prompt box. Then I click on generate and you will have the result like this. Super fantastic. We have what we asked for. We have a woman playing with water with her 2 hands with body and facial expressions. NSFW AI generates high quality, realistic video from any reference image you upload. The AI understands different prompts, pacing, and camera angles from the prompt provided. Just upload your images and get stunning video results fast. Let's try one more. I upload the image of a young woman walking on the beach to the website. Then I write the prompt of how I want the AI to animate the image for me, and I click on generate. And here's the result. Super impressive. The subject walks smoothly, no distortion, no flaws, very realistic movement. Very fast, simple, and easy to navigate, no complex panel, and you can generate anything without any limitations. This is how you can use NSFW AI to create anything from text prompt to image to create a stunning visual. This is the best AI tool to give users total creative freedom. Make sure you try this tool and share your experience in the comment section. The link is in the description below for you to try. If you enjoy this video, kindly give the video a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.